Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be going through how to create a new project and how to save your project in Adobe After Effects. Now I'm afraid project is the wrong word. We need to be using the word composition and you'll see why. When we load Adobe After Effects, we will get this interface. It's inactive, there's nothing we can do. To create a new document, by default a lot of people will go to File, New, and they'll see new project, new folder, new Adobe file, but you can see nothing will happen. That's because we need to create a new composition. We need to set your project up so you can work on it basically. To do that, you need to go to Composition, which is the third one on the application bar, New Composition, and it'll pop up with this very important window. First things first, at the top, give your project a name. And what you need to do is to set up what type of document you're going to make. And if I click on this drop down, you can see there are numerous things you can do. It has all the old configurations. So if you're making stuff for American TV or UK TV in 4:3 in widescreen, if you're making a web banner, if you're making a web video, if you're editing stuff that you've done in 4K or 2K, or just in general HD, you have all these video configurations, these presets here for you by default. And probably good note to make is that when you're learning about the software, simply use HD TV 1080 29.90, which means you're going to be making a HD widescreen video where the length is 1080 pixels and your frame rate will be 29.97 seconds. Once you do that, you can see your width and your height will be configured. You can also customize the pixel aspect ratio. Most likely you don't need to do that. Your frame rate is 29.97. Don't need to do anything to that majorly. Resolution, keep it as full. You can work in lower resolutions. If you've got a good graphics card, you should be able to work in full. If you have a poor graphics card or you're working on a very old computer, you might want to cut down your resolution so it can process all the information. One of the things you must do when you set up this project is set up the duration. You need to decide before you even start your project how long your project is going to be. If it's 30 seconds, leave it as 30 seconds. If it's a minute, change it to a minute. If it's 3 minutes, change it there. But it's very important you know how long your After Effecks project is going to be and set the duration. The last thing you can do is configure the background color. By default, you can see it's black. You can change it to any other color. You can change it to white. Click OK. Again, once you've done that, don't need to do anything in the Advanced tab at the moment. Once you've done everything within the basic settings, click OK. And you can see when you do that, your project panel is active, so you can create stuff or insert or input files there. There is your stage. You can decide on what type of percentage you'd like to work in. Fit, 25%, 50% look quite good. Your timeline is active. You can see the numbers there from 0 to 1 minute along there. And again, like I said at the bottom, you can zoom into your timeline. And all the panels on the right are active for you to use. So that's how you create a new composition. To save your composition or your project, simply go to File, Save As. And you'll see numerous options. Just go to File, Save As, and choose a suitable location in where you'd like to save the file. Give your project a suitable name. Let's just call this Project New and Saving Composition. Just check the file type, and you can see it's going to be an AEP file, as I explained. AEP meaning After Effects project file, and click Save. And that's it. That's how you save your project. How to export your finished video, we will get into another video. Again, any questions, please ask Vishal or ask Andrew. Otherwise, move on to the next video.